In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIFs to cards in Trello. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want the GIF to appear. This can be any board you're currently working on, whether it's for personal tasks, content planning, team projects, or anything else. After the board loads, find the specific card where you want to add the GIF. When you've found it, click on the card to open the full card details. This gives you access to all the options connected to that card, including descriptions, checklists, comments, and attachments. Inside the card window, look for the Add option, then choose Attachments. This is the section Trello uses for adding files directly to a card. Once you click Attachments, select Choose File. This will open your device's file browser so you can pick the GIF you already downloaded. Now simply locate the GIF file on your computer and select it. After that, Trello will upload the file and attach it to the card. Depending on the GIF size and your internet speed, this may take just a second or two. Once the upload finishes, the GIF will appear in the attachments area of the card. And that means the process is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, your Trello card now includes the GIF as an attachment, making it easier to share visual references, reactions, examples, or creative content right inside your workflow. This can be especially useful if you want to make cards more engaging or provide quick visual context for teammates. One important thing to keep in mind is that Trello is attaching the GIF as a file, so make sure you've already downloaded the GIF before starting. If the file doesn't upload, double-check that it's actually saved in GIF format and that you selected the correct file from your device. Also, if you're organizing lots of media inside Trello, naming your GIF file clearly before uploading can help you recognize it faster later. That's especially helpful when a card has multiple attachments. And that's all you need to do to add a GIF to a card in Trello. It's a quick process. Sign in, open your board, click the card, go to Add, choose Attachments, click Choose File, and upload your downloaded GIF. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.